In ArcGIS Pro, we can easily change the coordinate system of our map. For that, right click on the map and go to properties. Then go to the coordinate system. In this coordinate system, you will find a lot of coordinate systems are there. You will find the layer coordinate systems, you will find the geographic coordinate system and projected coordinate system. You can also search here for any coordinate system. Suppose we want to convert our map into web marketer, then search with the EPG code and we can find the coordinate system. We can also search with the alphabets such as NAD, NAT, and under UTM we will find any coordinate system that we need. Let's convert it to web marketer. And click apply. Then you will see your current XY coordinate system is web marketer.